Imagine a kitchen companion that takes care of your dishes, making your life simpler and stress-free. Meet the stunning IFB dishwasher with its sleek modern panel and premium finish. Now, let's take a look inside. The stainless steel interior cavity is built for durability and hygiene, while the adjustable racks and foldable tines gives you the flexibility to fit everything from large kadhai to delicate glasses. Oh, and look, there's an additional modular cutlery tray that is perfect for organizing spoons, forks, and even cooking and serving utensils. No more hunting for space. With its 16 place settings, this dishwasher offers the best in segment storage, perfect for Indian kitchens. It cleans everything from kadhais to crockery. Thanks to iron technology, negative ions eliminate odors, keeping your dishwasher fresh. The 360-degree spray arm ensures a thorough clean, while the 70-degree hot water wash and turbo drying leave your dishes sanitized and dry. Need to run a smaller load? The half load feature saves time and energy. And with auto programs, the dishwasher adjusts for the perfect wash cycle. Plus, the auto door open function helps dry your dishes faster once the wash is done. And for complete peace of mind, IFB Essentials offers dishwasher supplies like tablets, detergent, rinse aid, and salt. It ensures you perfectly clean utensils every time. With 25 years of dishwashing expertise, IFB brings innovation and convenience to your kitchen.